To learn how to make Aquafaba, please go to my Thank You Mother Nature YouTube channel. Thank you! Mwah, mwah. Now let's make a soft and light sponge cake. Whisk until it's soft. Tip: chip all the ingredients to make the cake finely soft. XOXO. Add the foamy Aquafaba. Fold the mixture together. Tip: place a baking sheet underneath to stop the cake from sticking. Doggie face cake batter.
Bake at 170 Celsius for 40 minutes.
Now let's make chocolate frosting. Delicious.
Dish licking machine.
Mommy!
Tip: insert a stick to test the cake. If it comes out clean, it's done.
Remove the ring mold. Transfer the hot cake to the cake stand. Here's the technique. Next, let's make the doggy face. Soften the fondant. Color mixing chart. Adding the food coloring.
Red, blue, and yellow. 1 drop of each.
1 drop of red makes pink.
2 drops of red, blue, and yellow make black.
Pink for Doggie's tongue.
Black for eyes, nose, and mouth.
Doggie's tongue.
Doggie's eyes.
Doggie's nose.
Doggie's mouth.
Attaching a piping tip to the cupola. Filling the frosting in the piping bag. Here we we go!
Plan B.
Life must go on, so...
Mommy! Mommy! It looks like a poop!
Decorating the cake with the doggy face. FaceTime call with คุณยาย and อากง I wish for an animal sanctuary